Cabbage usually tastes boring. This dirty skillet fixes that. 20 minutes in the freezer firms this raw sausage for clean slices. Then it gets coated in olive oil and smoky spice blend before it hits the pan. Now let's cook the sausages for about 3 to 5 minutes until they're fully cooked, and then remove and transfer them to a bowl for later. Same skillet, that's where all the flavor from the sausage is sitting. Then we're going to start adding the vegetables one by one and saute them for a few minutes. Garlic 30 seconds. Add more seasonings. Now it's time for the chicken broth, and then once it's hot, stirring the tomato paste until it's smooth. Add the sliced cabbage in 2 batches. Once the first batch has wilted, add the second. Turn it until every piece is coated. This is where plain cabbage turns dirty. Now cover and tenderize for 5 to 6 minutes. Now cherry tomatoes and red wine vinegar are next. Now return the sausage back to the pan. Now lower the heat and simmer uncovered for 3 to 5 minutes. Then garnish with some fresh chopped parsley, and then you're ready to enjoy this delicious dirty cabbage dish. If you prefer softer cabbage, simply cook it for another 5 minutes or until it reaches your desired tenderness. If you're new here, subscribe for a new one skillet recipe every week and watch one of these videos next. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you next week. Take care.